Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to install Git in our system. Normally, most of the developers use Git to manage the code, and with this Git, we can track the code changes. And using this Git, multiple developers can work on the same repository. To install it, go to Chrome or else like any browser that you're comfortable with, and search Git download. And from that, you can see this image. It will you can click the first link, or else like in the step 2 I mentioned the Git official website. You can directly open this link. Once you land this page, click the windows, and then you will get the options to download. There are two options to download. One is a standalone installer, another is a portable thumb drive edition. So in this video, I'm going to download the standalone installer for the Windows x64 setup based on my system browser. If you are using ARM64 setup, then you can go with this one. For this video, I'm downloading this Windows x64 setup. Just click it. It will automatically started the download. Once the download is done, you can directly go to the step 4. Once you downloaded the .exe file, click it and open it. Once you open it, it will show the license agreement and all. Click accept and click next. And in the next screen, it will ask the location about where you want to install the Git. If you want to go with this location, you can install it. If you want to go with a different location based on your any specific need, you can go for that. As of now, I'm going with the default location. Click next, and in the next screen, it asking you to allow the it asking you to select the components. And mostly in this part, you must select the Git base and Git GUI, which is used in the uh, future when use the Git. We will see where it is using. Mostly it will be used in the Git commit. Git, we can check the Git history, code history. And we can use this. We can check the who committed the code, when that code is committed. Everything we can check by using these tools. How can we check by using this tool? We'll see later. uh, mm, Please ensure that you must select these two options. And if you want a desktop icon, you can select this as well, or else like click next and move on to the next slide. And don't change anything here, just click next. And in the next slide, there is an option to select your editor version. So if you comfortable with this Git editor version, you can go with it as it is default. If you find with the VS Code or else like Notepad, you can click this drop down, and you can select the editor that you want. Move on to the next screen, and here also leave it as a default. Click next, and here also whatever it is recommended, we are going with that. Click next. Click next. And in if you have any specific SSL, you can go with that, or else like go with the default one. And here also I'm going with the default. And in the next screen also, I'm going with the default. If you need any specific specific thing for the project, you can go for the different options. Otherwise, just go with the default. It will ease our work. Click next. Click next. And at the end, you will have the option to install. Click install. Once you click install, it will start at extracting the files. Once all the extraction is done, it will show this wizard as completing the Git setup wizard. And click finish. Once you finish that, now you sure can we say that I install the Git in my system? So maybe if it is sometime corrupted, also that also will cause the problem. How can we check that our in our system Git is successfully installed? So for that, open the command prompt and directly hit the command git hyphen hyphen version. Once you hit it, it will return the Git version. Whatever the version you install, it will return the version. If it is returned that version, then you can say that Git is successfully installed. And after that, there is a one first step you need to do before using the Git. You can set your name by using this command. In the same command prompt, you just run this command. In the place of your name, you will give your name, and in the user email, you can give the mail which you want to use with the Git. Once you've done that, now username and user email is added with your configs. So what is the use of this means, like when you committed the code, it shows that you committed these changes. So based on that, someone can know that you committed these code changes. Okay. So to verify this, git config hyphen hyphen list, if it is list out the uh, name and email in the list, then you can say that that your username and user email is configured successfully. So guys, now you successfully installed git in your system. So with this we can do the further operations like git using this software we can able to do the git commit, git push, and we can pull the code from the remote repository and all.